For ages, we've only listened to audio. Why not feel it as well? Humu Augmented Audio Cushion adds the sensation of touch to your favorite audio-visual entertainment. Movies, games, music, TV. Humu connects your body to the sound. Just turn it on and enjoy your favorite entertainment in a way you've never before. Get inside binaural stereo that lets you also feel the sound. The bass range beats the living bass out of $500 headphones. Use it anywhere, anytime. The cover is removable, washable, and made of vegan suede.
Humu is the real deal. One of those magical products I always hope to find. It's unusual, cool, compelling, and ready to ship.
Now I can literally feel the music.
Why the music is everywhere? I'm so happy.
Feel the hits, feel the losses, feel the wins. Binge on your favorite series all night. Nobody will mind as there is minimal sound leakage around you. Augmented audio will be the next standard in all entertainment. If you do sound design or music, Humu is your shortcut to the future. Don't be late. Be among the first ones to actually feel sound.